In 1986, a vision became reality. The beginning of Mex Storage System's journey of strength and trust. 40 years of strength, 40 years of trust, 40 years of innovation, 40 years of quality. From modest beginnings to large-scale industrial storage projects, Mex steadily grew with innovation, precision engineering, and a customer-first approach. Today, Mex offers premium industrial racks, pallet racks, mezzanine floors, and customized warehouse storage solutions for businesses across India. Trusted by top brands, Mex builds storage systems that power India's industrial growth. Mex Storage Systems Private Limited, 40 years of excellence, and the journey continues.